I tell you, got a new impact wrench drill. So it's a 3-in-1. Can be used as that impact wrench. Can be used as a drill or a screwdriver. This is what it comes with. Nice hard case. Instruction manual. Comes with two 21-volt, 4,000 milliamp hour batteries. Got the charger here that it is certified, so it's not going to overcharge, overheat. Nice brushless motor on this 600 Newton meter drill, so it's going to provide some good power and work for you. And then you've got all your different bits. So we've got a bunch of different sockets here that can fit different lug nuts and different things in your car. We've got a quick connect. We'll show you how that works. We've got a bunch of drill bits, as well as some screwdriver heads as well. Okay, so let's put this to work and show you how it works. So on here, you've got a button. You can show you the different power. You got 3 different power modes you can go through. And so depending on how hard you hold down that trigger, it's going to go between the different power levels. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, so you've got the forward and reverse buttons here on the side, just like most drills. So we're going to be loosening some lug nuts on my tire. I got the 21 milliliter see, nice and quick work. So make changing tires nice and easy, good and powerful, and does a good job. I'll show you the other features. Okay, so we've got this quick connect here. So this will fit right on. It just allows for easy installation of a drill bit. Pull it down, lock that in place. It's not going to come out. You can go slow, medium, full power. Nice, powerful, drills easily. You've got your different screwdriver bits as well. So we're going to, again, easy to remove that drill bit, place in your screw bit, and you can easily drill that in or remove screws. So again, nice and powerful, good impact wrench if you need it, brushless motor with 2 strong batteries. Give it a try.